Hi, my name is Navdha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back with another amazing haul, and as the winter is approaching, so I have ordered few of the full sleeve tops that are just perfect for these winter season. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video, and all the links will be in the description box, so do not forget to check them. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
फर्स्ट इज दिस रैप टॉप दैट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ. इट्स इन चॉकलेट ब्राउन शेड एंड प्राइस आता है इसका 569. साइज आता है इसका स्मॉल एंड द ब्रांड विच आई एम वेयरिंग इज साइट बॉम. इस ब्रांड से मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ऑर्डर किया है. फुल स्लीव्स में है, ये कॉटन इसका फैब्रिक है. वाइड वी नेकलाइन आती है एंड एज इट्स अ रैप टॉप यू कैन ईजिली रैप अराउंड योर वेस्ट एंड टाई इट टू योर साइज. Here I paired the top tucked inside my high-waisted beige trousers and added a white belt with a golden buckle to it, and I styled the outfit with my brown mule flats and light brown sling bag to complete the whole look. Also added a watch, bracelet and minimal earrings. So I wear normally extra small size, so ये है size small में, तो ये मुझे थोड़ा सा लूज है. Although ये रैप टॉप है, मैं इसको easily रैप करके टाई कर सकती हूँ, बट स्टिल आप देख सकते हो वेस्ट पे मैंने इसको बहुत ट्राई किया, बट स्टिल ये मुझे लूज ही आ रहा है. और इसकी नेकलाइन भी थोड़ा सा डीप है मेरे लिए, बट यू कैन फिक्स इट विद द पिन और एनीथिंग यू कैन वेयर इनसाइड. सो ये डीप नहीं रहेगा उतना, सो कंफर्टेबल रहने वाला है. एंड इफ़ यू फाइंड योर साइज परफेक्ट देन इट वुड बी ग्रेट. सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट अदर देन योर रेगुलर टॉप्स, रेगुलर क्रॉप टॉप्स और फुल स्लीव टॉप्स, इट्स अ रैप टॉप. सो इसका कलर भी बहुत प्रिटी है, चॉकलेट ब्राउन शेड है. सो इट विल रियली लुक गुड इन विंटर, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक दिस वन अंडर अ बजट. So yeah, I would like to rate it as 8 on 10 as around the waist मुझे इतना नीट फिट नहीं आया है tucked in करके. So yeah, इससे better fits I have in the wrap tops also. So yeah, 8 on 10 from my side. सेकेंड इज दिस वाइट टॉप विद ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स. H&M ब्रांड का है, साइज है एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल एंड 999 इसका प्राइस है. इट्स अ रिब्ड फिटेड टॉप, कॉटन है इसका फैब्रिक, राउंड नेकलाइन है, हैज़ अ नैरो ट्रिम, लॉन्ग फुल स्लीव्स हैं एंड अ स्ट्रेट कट hem. Here I am going with a very semi-formal casual vibe, and I paired it up with my high-waisted beige trousers, black belt, black shoulder bag and black and white sneakers. Tied a ponytail to put the whole look together and also look more polished. Personally, I really loved it. I love how the sleeves are fitting me and it's of perfect length, and fit of the top is really amazing when tucked inside, and I really loved it. 10 on 10 from my side, and is just perfect for this winter season. Like the light winters जो होते हैं उसमें ये perfect रहेगा. So you can style it anyway. It will simply look just amazing and stunning. So definitely check this one out. Next is this off-white ribbed top जिसका प्राइस है 674. Sassafras ब्रांड का ये आता है, एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल साइज में है that I'm wearing. इसका मेन हाईलाइट इसकी नेकलाइन है, हाई नेक है. इसका कटआउट जो डिज़ाइन है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. कॉटन ब्लेंड फैब्रिक में है, वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल. लॉन्ग फुल स्लीव्स में आता है. इट्स ऑफ परफेक्ट फुल लेंथ स्लीव्स एंड निटेड कॉटन है इसका फैब्रिक. तो ये स्लाइड सा श्योर आपको लग रहा होगा, बट इट्स नॉट वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. I really like the fact that how it is fitting to my body, and I paired it up with my olive high-waisted pants, light brown sling bag with a golden touch, and waist पे ये इतना अच्छा fit आया है, I cannot tell you. I just loved it, and it's a 10 on 10 from my side, and you should definitely check this one out because this gives a really sporty look and very casual and very comfy and just perfect for this light winters, and also it's really affordable too. So yeah, if you are looking something like this under a budget, then definitely you can go for this one. It would be a perfect buy for this winter season. Next is this black and white top which I found really unique and stylish, and fit आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही amazing आया है. I just found it stunning. And इसका जो neckline है वो high neck आता है. It's a ribbed top and you won't believe the price is so affordable. It is just of rupees 650. So This is really amazing. The most interesting feature it has the shoulder cutout design, front और back दोनों से आता है ये, and it looks just fab. And इसका fit आप देख सकते हो. I have paired it up with my white trousers. It's high waisted trousers, so मैंने tuck in करके पहना है, and it's really comfortable also. And मैंने इसको black belt के साथ pair किया है और black footwear and black shoulder bag, and with my golden accessories, it looks uber chic. I simply loved every bit of this top. The fitting is amazing and sleeves are of perfect length, and जो cutout design है उसकी वजह से जो white वाला sleeve है वो drop out भी नहीं होता है and काफ़ी classy भी लगता है. So if you are looking something like this, very different, very unique and chic, so you should definitely check this one out because this is my personal favorite. Next is this beige knitted wrap top, which is from the brand Trendyol. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. And this is a very affordable price of 629, and I am wearing size extra small, so it is fitting me quite well. It has a V neckline, and the look of this top is really classy. It can be your perfect office wear, and also you can wear it casually. And I've paired it with white trousers and brown flats and also beige bag. You can pair your golden accessories, and this looks really classy and subtle at the same time. So your perfect office look is ready, and by adding this top in your collection, you would definitely elevate your daily styling game in your office. So do check this one out if you're looking for this subtle and classy look. Next up is this white horizontal striped top, which is from the brand Sassafras. The price of the top is 687. I love the sweetheart neckline, and also from the back it has a deep U design. So I loved it in this top. It is so different. The way you style it up makes all the difference. So here I paired it up with my brown high-waisted trousers and black accessories to go with it, my belt, handbag and footwear. The overall fit looks so chic, and this can be your perfect office wear too. Fabric is cotton blend, and this is also a ribbed top, so you can see the fit is really great. Sleeves are of perfect length, and I love how it fits me on my arms. As stripes never go out of fashion, so if you're looking something that's classic, so you can definitely check this one out, and under a budget this would be a great buy this winter season. Next is this stunning navy blue knitted top, and which is also from the same brand Sassafras, and it's also really affordable. Price is 674, and I'm wearing size extra small. It has a V neckline and also comes with a button closures like a cardigan style, and I have paired it up with the light accessories and trousers so that it gives more attention to the top and looks more classy and chic. And this can be your perfect office wear too because this look just stunning semi formal. This fabric is also cotton blend, and the fabric is really soft and comfortable to wear. It would be perfect for light winter season. So if you're looking something like this, which is a top but giving the cardigan style vibe, so definitely you can check this one, and this would be your perfect office wear too, and you can style it as a casual wear as well. Last but not the least, this one also is really classy and from the same brand Sassafras, and very much affordable in the price of 584, and I am wearing size extra small. It has a high neck and also a half zipper closure, so you can wear it like this or you can zip it up whenever you want or if you are feeling cold. Either way, it looks way smart and chic. So here I paired it up with my white trousers, black belt, footwear and white and black bag, and it looks super awesome. And also with my golden accessories and with a touch of gold in the footwear and belt buckle, it made it more classier. The fit of this top is really amazing and it's fitting really well. So if you're looking something like this in this neckline, so you should definitely check this one out because this is one of my favorites.
So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some inspiration for yourself. I will soon be back with another video, so stay tuned, and all the links will be in the description box, so do not forget to check it. And thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.